Hello, my name is Candice Johnson and my pronouns are she, her, hers.
Hello, my name is Nimsi Garcia and my pronouns are she, her, hers, ella.
We work at Kenyatta College as program services coordinators. I work for the Bridge to Opportunities and STEM peer mentorship programs.
I work for Eso Adelante, an SF State Transfer Pathways and Peer Mentorship Program. This coming Colts-CON, we will be presenting on what you need to thrive at Candice College for the Track 2 continuing students.
During this workshop, we will cover what you need to know about navigating academic and student support services.
We will also cover how and where to build community on campus.
We look forward to seeing you there.
Go
Colts!